Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video. It's gonna be a quick video. This video is going to be a review on my March IPSY. So we're supposed to get a free gift in here, and then I also got some other stuff in here. March 2020. So from this package, the Define Minus Serum by Private Doctor. It's by ID Hospital. Looks like this. It's a serum. Smells good. Yeah, and then we have this Verifeed Power Trip Facial Serum, Phytoglogen and AHA serum. So alpha hydroxy acid, that's AHA. So that's gonna be for brightening, so yeah, another serum, from 2 serums. And then this. So it's time for the bigger reveal. We all got a free gift. So let's see what the free gift is. I sprayed it down with Lysol. Oh, no, I'm dead. But yes, the Luxie brush. It's so soft to me. It's really soft. I like this. I use this for highlight. Okay, better. Then, so this came in a little pouch. I love the pouch. It's so cute. The pouch, it says IPSY 100 because they're celebrating their 100 GLAM bag. So it's cool. Darn, I might have to switch my space. There you go. So I moved to my room. So this is a bag right here. It's so pretty. My free gift I'm really excited about is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and it matches my outfit for today. See? Tatcha. I guess it's a hydrating cream. I don't want to use it because I didn't wash my face out. It smells like lavender, which I kind of expect to smell like lavender because of the color. Lavender, that's what this color is. So yeah, so we got the Tatcha Dewy the skin cream. Oops. There we are. Tatcha Dewy skin cream. Yeah. Next in our little glam bag, we have another liner, which I love that they're giving me liners because I'm not the one who purchases liners. So I'm so excited. Look at this. Let's see. This is by, who is it by? Girl Lactic Precise Eyeliner in Black Newer. And that's a nice line. I'm excited. It's lit. So, you know, I'm excited because look, that's good. That's pretty good. I didn't read the card, but it says celebrate you. Oh, this thing tells you about your products that you gotten. That's cool. Yeah. Oh, cool. I don't want to feel like reading it. Sorry. I got this little, what is it? Awake. It says Awake. Oh, it's by Awake. It's a lip. Oh, it's lip therapy. I wish this was kind of bigger because who's gonna buy a big thing for a lip mask? I mean, anyways. Like, but it's cool. Cool like that. A balm. It doesn't have a scent. So. Then we have, I like this pouch a lot. I think it's really cute. Wow. Then we have the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Purple Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I need that because I need to get like up in the door. Again, it matches my outfit. Wow, this is like, wow. I wasn't planning this. So, yeah. And then we have this Naked Cosmetics Pigment Pressed Eyeshadow. Let's see what color it is. This one's big. I like it. So far, I like this one better than February's bag. So far. I was more disappointed with that one. So I was so disappointed with that one. I was like, that's my first bag, and then boom, really disappointed. But this one is better. The eyeshadow is alright. I would use that as a highlight, personally. It's pretty. It smells fake. You know how those eyeshadows sometimes smell? Yeah, it's alright. Okay, so that's what this is. That's my, I don't say my favorite, but it's okay. So that's all the things that we got in our little bag. A brush, which I left over yonder. Brush, oh, eyeliner, moisturizer, a mask, good stuff. So that's what we got for the 2020 IPSY 100th GLAM bag. I can't speak today. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Show me what you want. Tell me what you want. Really be honest. And to watch in the future. And you guys have a blessed one. Stay safe out here. And yeah, love you. Deuces.